is this Salah showing me sign? At that time, I hadn't done the ultrasound to find out the gender, so I'm like, this could be the clue. Check, because what? Currently 35 weeks plus. This is the state of my living room right now. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing baby items that I got. Bear in mind, this is baby number 3. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is rasheedahyinusa. My bad. I always forget to introduce myself before I start each video. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, I am a mom of 2, soon to be a mom of 3, inshallah. We are currently 35 weeks plus, and I've gotten at least the basic things that I need. I know I still need to get a few, but I'm going to do them in the next few days / next week at least. Baby, oh sorry, always bopping. Let's get right into the video. I do not want to do much blabbing. My children are going to be back from school in few minutes. The economy is not friendly. Generally not friendly for everyone. Particularly not nice to those of us that are carrying babies at this time, but Allah is sufficient. We would always put our trust in Allah and He would always provide for us. So in line with this, I have prioritized the list of things that I need. Although I wish I would be able to splurge, but really, with the experience that I have with having 2 babies already, I know that it's only a few things that we need if we're going to be sincere with ourselves. So, without much talking, let's get right. Number 1 on my list is diaper. Can you even do without diapers? I got a pack of this, and there's another pack. This is the pack of 100. I know that will carry me for a month or 2. This should do for a while. I can't even remember the number of diapers babies use per day, but at least it should carry me for the first month. Then I keep buying other stuff all along. The next thing on my list of importance, on my priority list, is baby wipes. Sorry, I'm going to be banging here and there. See, these things are supposed to be in a box, but your baby girl could not go shopping. So I bet if you're looking for a plug that can do all your shopping for you, baby shopping, home shopping, whatever shopping that you want, House of Shaviva is your plug on Instagram. She's House of Shaviva everything. Anything, she's your plug for anything and everything. She did majority of the shopping. Most of the shopping, except for a few that my friends sent to me. Things that I need. Sorry if you're hearing my own because I've been in bags. But oh my god, I can smell something and it smells really nice. It smells, I'm smelling baby stuff already. Also, I got different types. So initially, this is the one. I said I wanted water wipes because this baby skin are usually very sensitive in the first few months. So I'm always very careful about what I use. So this came in 5. So we have 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 3 of this. You never... baby wipes, you keep using them, you use them for almost everything. 2, 3, 4, where's the 6th one? It should be somewhere. Oh my god, you need to smell me right now. I know what it's smelling. Actually, I know what it's smelling. This is another thing in the bag that I'm opening. This is my toiletries. I don't know if you use raw. We always just get it in case it's used for, can be used for cold, but it's mild. It can be used for cold, for babies, for mothers, just massage a little. But I don't use them in the first few months. These are just things I just buy. Oh well, you can guess by the color of things that I'm bringing out is we are having a baby girl. Allah answered my prayer to the fullest. Like I must have said earlier, like the plan was not to have a baby in 2024, but we have been doing the do, so we might as well. But Allah answered our prayer. Time for my favorite thing because that's where the fragrance is. 12, 3. Chico baby. Ooh. I've used this for 2 of my babies, so I can really attest to it. So this is the shower gel. This is the body wash. This is the body wash. And this is the lotion. Yeah, I can attest to this. And I got this Johnson baby oil. I don't know, these things are not cheap. They are now pricey. I think I would see if I can put the prices while I'm editing or something. What else is on this bag? Vaseline. I actually saw the price of this. I can't believe this Vaseline cost now cost 3,500 naira. This is small Vaseline. I have another small color. Guess where this came from? This is from Big Brother. So my first son, this is where I started getting clue of, could it be that Allah is showing me sign that I'm having a baby girl? So usually my son's school, they would give them gifts at the end of each academic section, and this year they gifted them towel. Gift them different things. Usually they will give my baby, because it's a boy, they'll give him blue, but they brought in this pink. I'm like, is this Allah showing me sign? I haven't done the ultrasound to find out the gender, so I'm like, this could be the clue, but it's really really small. I don't know. Maybe I'll take this to the hospital for myself. I see. That's a big one. The other one is a big one for baby. But maybe I can take this one for myself. Cause we're going on pink. Anybody that knows me knows pink suits me so much, and I love pink. But since I had my second baby, I'd just come to term that maybe I'm a mama of boys, considering that my mom also had 5 boys before she had me. So I'm like, am I taking the same footstep as my mom? Next on my list is, on the list of things that are important, is a flannel. So this is a receiving blanket. It's comes in 4. I still need to wash this things. Let's see what this looks like. I've not opened it because I really want to show you guys. Oh my god. I can't believe this. Amy, my babe. Those of you that are waiting on Allah for His mercies will surely shine on you. You would carry your baby, your healthy baby, inshallah. And I will give birth to my healthy baby as well. Delivery shall be easy, inshallah. We'll wrap this up later. Let's quickly finish because the boys are going to the vaccine. So these are some of the clothes that I got. These ones, I couldn't wait. I checked some of them. I couldn't wait for you guys. I had to check because what? These are some slip suits. I think she got them in different sizes. I didn't get so much because they outgrow them in no time. So this is 0 to 3 months. Oh my god, these are so cute. I think it comes in 4 or 6. Can't remember. Let's bring them out. Let's bring them out. This is another one, guys. Tell me what you think. Look at this. This is so cute. You see what I'm saying now? Soft Shabiba is your plug. This is 3 to 6 months. The truth is, I just got 2 of these 0 to 3 months because these babies, they outgrow it in no time. And usually my babies are big, but I'm hoping that she will not be so big this time around because my last baby, well, weighed 4.6 at birth, and that down there, I felt it, I heard it, I smelled it. 316. Oh my god. Let's keep going. I just want to show. I'm just. Happy day, baby. Oh, I went all out. Like nobody to tell me anything. I went all out in my pinks. Please, 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 please. Don't tell me I shouldn't do pink. Give me a reason why I shouldn't do pink, please. These are all 0. They're 3 to 6 months. Only those 2. So she got some caps. I don't know if this cap, but the weather is getting cold anyway. I hope that this cap will be fine because I'm feeling like it's too thick. She got, I don't know, are these colors the same? I think white, cream color, and pink. But they will look nice. Oh my god, I can't hide my excitement. She got this, what's it called? Is it pinafore or this is 6 to 9 months? 6 to 9 months. How many months? 1 to 3 months. It's blue, I'm like, but this is blue is only meant for boys. Says who? Says who? Oh my god, look at this trouser. Look at our trouser. She got some outfits to go along with them. Although my friend who had a baby last year, she sent to me, I told her, I'm not going to be spending so much on clothes. I don't know, are you team, let's share our clothes together? Like, I mean for babies, they'll grow all these clothes in no time. Are you open to passing it on from babies to babies? Or are you team, Africa, or we don't do all those type of things? You cannot be giving your baby's clothes to another person. I'm grateful for, well, I understand why people would do that, but I'm grateful for myself. I'm grateful for my friends. I'm grateful for this space that we are in, that we can easily that we can trust one another to be able to share this type of things with one another. So, girl, I'm going to show you. I have lots of, even though they are, my friend bought, I think she bought lots of unisex wear, so that will be fine for her as well. But guys, look at. I'm really looking at time. Yeah, we have to move on to other things. We need to move on. We need to move on to other things. Ah, look at this green. Before I move on to the bag where those other ones are, let me just show you. Okay, this is for 6 to 9 months. Look how tiny socks. And before you know it, they will outgrow it. Oh my god, what's this? I think these are some wash clothes. Yeah. Some head wraps. I've never bought head wraps. I need to open them. Let me see what this is like. Like, I've never opened all this because I've been waiting to show you guys. Hey. Kilele, guy. Kilele. Kilele. Oh my god. Ah, alhamdulillah that I'm going to get a baby to be styling all these. Inshallah. This is making me feel good because, man, nobody tells you how much of a ghetto start trying my styles. Guys, I tell you the way I've been feeling before I started this unboxing. These are, I don't think I need to open this one. These are some bibs that she got as well. These are some bibs. I know I will still get more. Moreover, for bibs, I have my preference. This is the only one I feel like, these are not my preference. I like those triangular kind of bibs. Ah. But I think this is big. Hey, baby. Here. Okay, we still have more bibs. More cap. More caps. Oh, PJ set for mommy. Let's see. Oh, I have to rush to show this because I'm going to the back so. Oh my god. I don't know why I looked to this time. Ooh. These are dresses that I got for myself that I can wear after having a baby. This is just the simple kaftan. What do you guys think about the color? I love the color. And I'm coming on my full glory this time around. How colorful, radiant, beautiful. This is a two-piece set. It comes with a trouser. I would have to wear this for you guys to get a picture. But I like the color. This is a two-piece set. There are still some clothes that she's sending to me. This is the top. I think if I wear it, you would understand. But if you see it when I'm out of the hospital, I don't know what I'm wearing yet, but it will be okay. But this is the two-piece set. Also, I have this other bodycon. I'm thinking of using this for my shoot. This is not blue, it's green, but it's looking like blue. So I'm going to pair it with this kimono. I'm using it for my shoot, and there's another pink linen material that is still with the tailors that I'm going to get from her. I don't have, I really, if left to me, I'm going to cancel these shoots, but my friend is encouraging me to come. She's also a makeup artist. She's going to do my makeup and we'll take pictures. Yeah. Some bras, combs, pop socks. I need to check this. I just need to check them because I need to pair them with. Oh my god. For baby's hairs, baby will take one. Then she gave me this complimentary tote bag. It's big. It's big. This is the state of my living room right now after all the unboxing, guys. Look at me. But